Make a great choice today with the 2020 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.